This is his car. Oh my god!
Yeah, boy.
Oh, so you did get them black. That turned out really good too.
Yeah. I need to just touch that one up, yeah. It like chipped on the inside. I didn't spend a lot of time painting the inside. And then I think when they were putting them on, they like might have hit them against this or something.
Yeah, that's no big deal. That looks really good though.
Yeah, I like it. Even with them tucked up a little bit. He was like, I had to push them back a little bit because the pipes like weren't sitting all the way. So
no, that doesn't look bad at all. Because I mean, still from the side, you can like see them coming out.
Right.
So, like that looks really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's perfect. But
it sounds mean as fuck.
Oh, I heard it from my room, so like I'm ready to hear it now.
Yeah.
This is his car. Oh god. I was trying to talk and say this is your car now with the headers, but that completely scared me. So.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Can you rev it?
Yeah.
So yeah, this is with headers. He's insane. Oh my god. Holy. Feel my heart. Holy shit. That is insane.
I know, dude. I love it.
Oh my god.
Yeah. They're badass.
Wow. That was super loud before those.
I know, and that's with the headers on now, dude, they're like, it's insane.
God. Is it like a ton different when you're driving too?
Honestly, yeah, it like the power feels a lot smoother. We can go for a ride.
Yeah, we have to.
Yeah, you want to drive it? I'll let you drive it.
Sure.
All right, go for it.
Can you explain what you did first? Like.
Yeah, as far as that goes, I mean, really, it was just putting the headers in. And that was a whole pain in the ass.
Yeah, I'm sure that was really fun.
Putting the headers in, you know, I mean, it just took a lot of time, really.
Yeah.
But you can't even really see them from here, honestly. You can kind of see them in there, but 2-inch headers to 3-inch mid pipes, and then basically just the muffler delete at the end. So
yeah, because like before it was super loud.
Yeah.
And then now, I didn't think it would be like that. That's fuck. Oh my god.
You know what's weird though? It's not really that loud in the car.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
that's
which is
really
nice.
good.
So like when you're driving at like highway speeds, you don't really get like a lot of drone or anything. So.
Good. Damn, that is insane though.
Yeah, I love it though. Honestly, it sounds mean as all hell.
It does. It's scary. Yeah, this is James' car. It's got the dive planes, the splitter, tow hook.
Don't mind how filthy it is.
Yeah, it's always dirty. It's black. Well, yeah, everything's coming along. He got his car, the wing too, after mine, and mine looks like this. Wheels and exhaust, and here's James. The whole...
It me.
Oh, and he has racing seats too, so these are always fun to work with. Yeah, I always forget how to do these. I don't...
It just clicks together.
Reminds me of like buckling in Jordan's little sisters into their like car seats.
That's all we are as big kids, right?
True. Yeah, these are our toys.
I'm not responsible for any tickets you get in my car.
yeah, I'll gladly pay them. No matter what happens, I'm definitely safe with this. Turn this?
Nope, just push it in.
Yeah, okay, that's I think I was turning it and then they like came out.
Oh, these just like kind of hold on to this a little bit. Sure. Make sure we don't go anywhere.
Alright. Let's do this.
Brendan's reaction to how a Camaro should sound.
Yeah. I'm gonna spare my neighbors a little bit. Oh, this guy I hate though, so.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It does sound a lot louder outside the car, but that is still like...
Yeah, but then like in the car, you don't really get it at all, which is nice.
You can. It sounds really good, but it's not like super loud. Oh my god. I'm gonna go to Heinrich.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. No, I really don't like doing stuff when there's kids outside.
Right.
I feel like such a dick.
Yeah, no, I try not to when there's like a bunch of kids around.
Yeah. In the wing too, I love how that looks in the back.
Oh, I know. I love the wing. You got a quick shot of that right there, if you can see it.
Like, How does it sound in fourth? Oh, this is fourth.
This
so
is
it's
fourth,
still
yeah.
good.
Yeah, no, it's not. It's really not bad. It gets a little tinny sometimes, like at like normal driving speed, but
Like
it's
right
not.
Now, this is great.
Yeah, but it's not bad.
All right, so yeah, we're on an open, pretty much stretch right here. I'm in first.
Down in Mexico.
Yes, always. Oh my God! What the hell? James! What the? I definitely
I
feel.
told you.
Yeah, it's
Doesn't
different.
it feel like it just feels smoother?
It does.
Like
Oh
that power delivery is amazing.
Oh my God, dude. I haven't like when I first got my Camaro, that's how I kind of like reacted. I like smiled like that and I was like, wow, this is amazing. And then this is like the whole thing all over again. It shifts, it like,
Oh, I know. It's just right
like,
through.
Yeah.
But as you can see, like in the car, like when you roll the windows up and everything, you really don't get that much. Like it's not too bad.
No.
Like it's not. I really thought I was gonna get a lot more like noise in the car, but I'm kind of glad I did.
Like after hearing it like pull down the street, like, you were probably a street or two over. I heard it because I was looking out the window. I was like, that's got to be James. And then I'm like, where is he? And then you pull up. I'm like, okay, yeah, that's pretty loud.
People are gonna think we're shooting up the neighborhood.
I know. Jesus. Oh, that's the guy I don't like, right?
I don't know.
The dog? Let's see. No, that's a lady. Looks like him. Like there was like 2 times I feel like when I got in my car and I was like this like smiley and excited is when I first got it and I took it to the floor after having the V6, and then when I put my exhaust on, because I've never had a car with an exhaust.
I guarantee those guys heard it all the way in Heidenberg.
Oh yeah, and then like this now is another one of those. I feel like it feels new.
Yeah, 100%.
Oh, that is my neighbor. He loves cars too. And
Which one? The one in the truck?
Yeah, so I want to like show him this. Cause I think I told him you got headers.
Oh yeah.
Say it real quick. Brandon! You know how I said James got headers? Yeah.
That makes yours sound quiet.
I know. Like remember how when I first floored my car, I was like so happy and like I did it to this and then it was like that all over again. This is crazy.
How are you gonna get them?
Eventually, yes. Okay, and there we have the stock boy. We have to do a race because mine's pretty much stock, and then yours has headers now, and like just see how much of a difference it makes. Like just do some pulls somewhere.
Yeah.
So then you can kind of have like a benchmark with like a stock one.
Yeah.
And then, because I'm sure you're gonna be doing more stuff too.
Oh yeah.
Like way before me, so I'll always have this for a while.
Yeah.
Stock, and we can see what the results would be.
I'll probably end up tuning it at some point.
Yeah. Well, thank you again.
Yep.
I'll see you.
Sounds good.
Yeah, just let me know whenever pictures or something, because I hope it stays warm. So.
Sounds good. Yeah. I'm off every Wednesday and Saturday, so.
Yeah, Wednesdays will probably be our best bet. So.
Sounds good.
All right, man. Thank you again for letting me drive. I'll see you.
Not a problem, man. See ya.
James. Go by the charger over there and floor it.
Where's he at? That way?
That way.
Oh, that way?
Yeah,
All
go.
right.
Show these chargers what a real car sounds like. Oh my God. Alright, yeah, that was James's Camaro. He just got headers on, so that was that. That was insane. My heart is pounding, so I'll see you guys.